Hello everyone. If you just purchased a USB flash drive or you just formatted your USB flash drive and now your TV refuses to play media like movies or music from the flash drive, especially if the flash drive is 32 GB or larger, you're in the right video. Most televisions only properly recognizes flash drive that are FAT32, that's the FAT32, or sometimes exFAT or NTFS file system flash drive. Windows hides the FAT or FAT32 option on bigger drives, so people end up using the wrong file format for the flash drive while formatting the flash drive. In this video, I'm going to show you the easiest way to fix the issue using a free tool called Rufus, and it works on any size of the flash drive, be it the 32 GB, 64 GB, 128 GB, or even bigger flash drive. So let's get into the video. What you need in this video: you need your USB flash drive, which is 32 GB or higher, because this issue mostly happens in flash drive that are 32 GB or higher. You need your Windows computer, and you need the program you use to format the flash drive for your TV to be able to play media from it. And that program is called Rufus. I'll show you exactly where to get the free application. And of course, after then, you now put in your media files. Now, important warning: formatting your flash drive, as you all know, or in case you've not known it, will erase everything on the USB. So make sure you back up the files on your USB before you format the USB. Now let's explain why this issue happened. A quick explanation to it. Windows like to format large USB as NTFS or exFAT file system. Many television, especially older television or low budget model television, only fully support FAT32. That's why the drive works fine on your computer, but the TV says no media, or sometimes even when it detects the media, it cannot play media files on it because the flash drive is in a NTFS or exFAT file system. So how do you format your flash drive in FAT32 or FAT32 file system or file type so that you'll be able to play media on your TV? Go to your web browser on your Windows PC and go to rufus.ie. Then click on the download tab here. So download the Rufus application, download the latest one. So here you can download the standard.exe file. Choose your system specification. In my own case, is 64-bit. Once you download, it's a very simple program. It's a portable program. No installation is needed. Just double click on the .exe file when it finished downloading. So go to your download folder here. Double click on the .exe file here, and you're going to have the application here open. So once it opens, make sure your flash drive is inserted into it, into your system. Insert your flash drive into your system. Once you insert your flash drive into your system, choose the flash drive. This is the flash drive for my own case, and empty movies. Then under boot selection, tap on it and select non-bootable. So after that, make sure you select the file system as FAT32. I already formatted my flash drive and I left it at FAT32. By default, your flash drive will be either NTFS or exFAT because the flash drive is above 32 GB. So select FAT32. By default, yours will be either NTFS or exFAT. So after doing that, click on Start. So you can change the name of your device. For instance, I'm going to put this USB flash drive. Click on Start. So warning, all data on this device will be destroyed. To continue with this operation, click OK. To quit, click Cancel. So click OK, and within a few seconds, your flash drive will be formatted to the exFAT. So I'm formatting everything on the device, so I can close this. Go back to the flash drive. Here's my flash drive here. I've named it to USB flash drive. If I open it, you can now copy your media files into the flash drive. So you can delete these default files here. You can delete them. Copy your media files into your flash drive, plug into your television, and everything will be okay. Guys, if the video helped you, kindly support the video with a like. And also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel in case you've not done so you'll be notified whenever I drop a new video. Also, let me know in the comment section if you had any issue while doing this. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video.